Hello and welcome! Today, we are going to show you how to install the accessory tray onto the EVERSE 12. The accessory tray comes with a DC cable to power your microphone receiver with the EVERSE 12's battery, the handle adapter, and the tray itself. First step is to clip the handle adapter onto the EVERSE speaker handle. Make sure the arrow in the handle adapter points to the front of the speaker. Line up the screws of the handle adapter with the holes on the tray. Finger tighten the screws. Now, we can place the wireless receiver on top of the tray. Use the hook and loop strap to secure it down. The tray is conveniently shaped so you can access the handle to carry the speaker, even with the tray attached. The accessory tray also allows you to securely mount your wireless microphone. Let's loosen the strap and place the microphone into the grooves. Tighten the strap back up, and we are all set. Now we can connect the wireless receiver. Plug the DC power into the receiver, and then into the speaker's DC output. Plug the XLR into the output of the receiver, and then into either input of the EVERSE. I am using input 1. We recommend turning the volume down on the EVERSE input before powering on the wireless receiver to prevent any pops or clicks. Then simply increase the volume after powering on your wireless receiver. And that's it. You have installed and connected a wireless microphone to your EVERSE 12 using the accessory tray. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.